So now we're at the end of my vision board. I hope you love it. I'm going to try to go through it a little bit. Up there is my dream truck or car, bank accounts, PayPal accounts, my keys for my new home, my planner that I use to implement all these things, my home office, what the inside of my home, that I would love for it to look like. Or we speak in present tense, that my home does look like. Those feet down there are my bossed up friends that I have, and we link up every now and then for different things. Me advertising my brand more, my merch, because I have t-shirts that say those people job, because we all got to quit those people job. There go my friends that we linking up. That's our feet. One-on-one, I do offer one-on-ones. Me right there is symbolizing me working on my business and me as a vlogger. And the key with a lot of these images, I do not include a face. I include like skin tones and body tones that can easily fool my brain that it's me. That's for my health, get my teeth whitened and done, and good health and body in shape, eating well. I love flowers. Like I said, that's the little notepad that I told you could use to write on. This is my YouTube, 100,000 followers or supporters. The Bible up there, look at, gotta keep God's word. And that symbolizes me, how I used to keep myself up. That was just last year, child. When I went to lunch with my daughter at the Versace mansion. So I hope you love it. Let me know what other tutorials you would love to see in the future. And stay tuned for our next tutorial. Love you. Bye.
All I want for Christmas is peace. Peace. Yeah. All I want for Christmas is peace.